foundation covers everything from mixing solutions to squeegee techniques and everything you need to know to get started with the knowledge for success.
Let's start by aligning the right corner. Use your palm to move it in place, squeegee down.
Installation, of course, is going to be a step-by-step guide for each panel so you can do it the best way possible. And third is going to be the maintenance, where we cover the aftermath and how to take care of it so your wrap lasts for a long time. Hi, my name is G, and I want to formally welcome you to the Do Yourself PPF course. I hope you're just as excited as I am, and we'll see you later in the next module.